Hey girls, this is Rumu. Welcome back to my channel. Here I talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. It's already summer everywhere and almost summer in somewhere. So today I will show you quick and easy sweat-proof, waterproof makeup transformation. Just like our body, our skin also craves coolness. So I am taking some cube of ice and apply on my skin. Immediately it shrinks the pore and stops sweating. Don't forget to wrap the ice cube with a piece of cloth, otherwise you can get cold burns. Icing your face, you can see the result. Immediately it decreases the redness and inflammation in your skin which is caused due to heat. Now I am applying the moisturizer which has SPF within. I am not a fan of a sunscreen because it sometimes get oily and sometimes become very dry. That's why I choose a moisturizer which has SPF inbuilt. I am applying Fairlight moisturizer which has SPF 30 which lasts up to 2 hours. You apply whatever you have. You can see after applying it, my face becomes shiny in different areas, so it needs to mattify. So I am applying the Colorbar primer to mattify my skin and make a smooth canvas so that the makeup glides smoothly. Though today is no foundation routine, but still the skin must get ready for the next steps. To cancel out all the pimple scars and uneven texture, I need a corrector. So I am using Girl Pro HD Orange Corrector. A bit of product I am taking on my fingertip and dabbing on my problematic area. I am using my finger so that I have control on the amount of the product. Those who do not have any scars, pimples or uneven texture, they do not need to put corrector. So the products must be plus minus, it's up to you. With the help of the sponge, I am taking out the excess product. Applying minimum products and minimum layer on your face is the key of sweat-proof long-lasting makeup. To lock the corrector, I am applying the translucent powder from Pack HD. Now I am applying the true shade of concealer from Girl Pro HD. My shade is pure beige. Don't apply the lighter one or the darker one. Apply the exact shade of your skin tone. I have applied the concealer just over the corrector. Now I am blending with the sponge. After blending properly, to lock the base, I am using the translucent powder from Pack HD. Dust evenly on your face and don't forget to put the translucent powder on your neck so that it doesn't look that the face and neck is different. So here is my daughter. She is peeping and very much curious about my makeup. You can see her in most of my videos. Now I am grooming my eyebrows with Miss Clear eyebrow pencil color light brown. It provides a brush with the pencil. While combing with that brush, you can identify the sparse area and fill your eyebrows. This quick and easy no makeup look only takes 10 minutes to get ready. So guys, when you are in hurry, don't worry, go step by step and you are ready for the day. No eyeshadow, no kajal. Mascara is enough for this look. I do not like to apply kajal in everyday basis. If you like it, go for it, girls. bronzing with the Miss Claire bronzer palette, highlighting with the Makeup Revolution highlighter. I'm also highlighting on my eyelids because I love the wet look of the eyelid, which attracts light and looks nice. Makeup has no rule, you can do it whatever you want, just be comfortable. Adding the setting spray makes the makeup set for long time. Love to apply the nude lipstick from the Matte Me liquid lipstick. If you like to apply the dark one during daytime, go for it, girls. Now here is my final look. I'm already done with it. Today is a no makeup look without any foundation or eyeshadow or whatever you have seen before. I'll put my hairs down so that I look more younger. Here is my look. I wash my hair every alternative day with the mild shampoo. I do not like to sweat my hairs, just like I do not like to sweat myself also. During summer, when you put on 2 or 3 clothes, you start sweating. So your skin also starts sweating when you put layers and layers of makeup. Putting minimum layer and using minimum products is the key of long-lasting sweat-proof makeup in summer. If you like it, give a big thumbs up and comment down what type of styling and makeup you want to see from me. If you are new in my channel, just hit the subscribe button so that I can make more and more interesting videos for you. Follow me in Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rumu Mridha. So enjoy the summer, girls. Bye. See you in the next one. Take care.